Hey there! Tired of wrestling with the default time format on your Xiaomi phone? Whether you're all about the 12-hour clock convenience or prefer the precision of the 24-hour format, I've got your back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easy-peasy steps to customize how your device displays the time. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your trusty Xiaomi device and fire up the Settings app. Next, scroll on down until you spot the Additional Settings option. After that, look for Date and Time and tap on it. Now, just a tiny scroll down and tap on Time Format. Here is where the magic happens. Simply select the time format you fancy, whether it's the 12-hour clock or the 24-hour format. Or if you prefer, you can opt for Auto, and it will sync up with your phone's language and region settings. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully switched your Xiaomi phone's time format from 12 to 24 hours or vice versa. If this video was a game changer for you, don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button. Hungry for more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Just hit that subscribe button because I've got plenty more where this came from. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and until next time, take care. Ciao!